Hello, Capricorn. Welcome to your pyramid reading for March the 10th through the 20th. Your rune this week is the Wunjo rune, the rune of joy. That's awesome. Your Stone People card is Spider Medicine. Weaving your web one strand at a time. It doesn't happen instantly. It takes work. Ooh-wee, look at who your spirit animal is, the spider. Okay. That's a real reminder to be patient with yourself. You know, you can see the web here. Each strand, it takes a long time to develop a complete web. So have some patience. Your sign, and symbol card is the big mountain and abundance. That should help. Okay, and then we're going to do our pyramid reading. Each card represents a step you take to elevate, and the final card is your reward for all your hard work. So our first card, is Badger Spirit. Be fearless and bold. And your stone for that place is Gold Stone. Boost confidence, paves the way for your dreams, and brings prosperity and abundance through action. You do have to work for it. Both, the spiders and the badger are telling you that if you want something, you are going to have to work for it. It's not just going to come to you. Second card, Moth Spirit. Surrender now. That can mean a surrender to many different things. You might have been working on something, and it is just not working, and it's time to change. A different kind of surrender, of course, is maybe surrendering to your own emotions, surrendering anger and frustration. Okay, and our stone in this place is Thorn. Our little bear from the Arctic brings calming, but it stimulates ambition, unsticks and produces movement, and is malleable, goes with the flow. So maybe there's just a little tweaking that we need to do here that, go with the flow. Maybe something needs to change up. Okay, our third card is, oh my gosh. See, this has never happened. 3 spiders. Make your dreams real. Wow. Okay, and our stone in that place is Adventure Teen. Abundance breaks the poverty mindset, helps you pursue your goals with passion, and opens the chakra to a state of immense love, and is known as the Prosperity Stone. So your spiders here, that's a really strong message. Don't give up. You might need to make some adjustments. But weaving that web, weaving your future is really critical. Skunk Spirit, know your worth. Know that all this work you're going through, you deserve it. Okay? And in our stone in that place is Opalite. Personal power, self-esteem, inner strength, calm and soothing, and stabilizes mood swings. Okay, our next card is White Raven Spirit. Trust in the magic. The magic around you, but most of all, the magic within you. Maybe that's the spark that these little spiders need. Your stone in that place is fuchsite. The fairy stone, happiness, miracles, blessings, healing, serenity, and peace. Oh, that's awesome. Very positive. Okay, and then this is your reward for all your hard work. Oh, we got rabbit spirit. Now is a lucky time. That's awesome. Our stone in this place is nephrite jade, which brings inspiration, motivation, wisdom, and abundance. Yay. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, you got a really good reading. We are going to clarify with one card from our other decks. Sister Moon says, the energy is gaining momentum. The Knight, be brave and honest. Okay, and we got, power place, earth connection and empowerment. You can empower yourself through Mother Earth by spending time in nature, maybe taking a break from all this hard work. That is what is going to empower you. Okay, so you had an awesome reading. Your quote this week is, trust the wait, embrace the uncertainty, enjoy the beauty of becoming. When nothing is certain, everything is possible. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Peace, love, and light. Until next time.